Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Ravella Design. I'm going to show you how we are going to make these beautiful headbands. It is really very easy and also looks beautiful. In winter you can use these headbands as ear warmer, and in summer you can use only as headbands. I use cotton yarn, dear friends, but if you like you can use baby woolen yarns, and if you make these with baby woolen yarns, then you can wear them as ear warmer in winters. It is really beautiful. The pattern is also easy. Okay, dear friends, let's go on how to make this. Meanwhile, please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell. Please leave like, remarks, and make comments and share my videos in order to support me for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much. Let's go on how to make this. We need 4 different colors of cotton yarn. I'm going to use these colors. You are free to choose any color you like. We need 3 mm hook. We need a scissors to cut the yarn. We need a yarn needle. We need an elastic buckle like this in order to use at the back side of the headband. That's all what we need for this headband, dear friends. Now we can start crocheting this headband. I will start with this color, burgundy color. I'm going to make chains first of all. I will make the chain length as 45 centimeters. Like this, I'm making chains. I will make the chains 45 centimeters according to the size of my head. But if you are going to make it for a child, for example, after making some chains, measure it around the kid's size or whoever you want to make this. It is better to make this according to the size of your head, but at the back side you should leave some space because we are going to use this buckle. For this reason, from the back side of one ear to the back side of other ear, you should measure it when adjusting around your head. I finished my chains, dear friends. I measured it. It is 45 centimeters. Of course, you are going to make it according to the head size of yourself. After making chains, we are going to make double crochets on these chains, dear friends. I am going back 3 chains like this. 1, 2, and 3, and I am inserting my hook in there. I am going to make a double crochet in there, dear friends. Like this. Yarn over. I will go on making double crochets one by one, inserting my hook in each following stitch, and I will come to the end of the chain like this. I am going back to following chain, making a double crochet in there. Yes, like this we are completing this row by making double crochets, dear friends. Let's make double crochets till the end of the chain, dear friends. Here to the end, let's make double crochets one by one in each following chain space. Yes, dear friends, I finished the double crochets like this. The first row is finished. We are going to make the second row. We are making 2 chains. 1, 2, turning back, yarn over. We are inserting our hook at top of the second double crochet. 3 chains is the first double crochet, and we made the second double crochet. Yarn over, going to the following stitch and making another double crochet, yarn over, going to the following stitch and making another double crochet, yarn over, going to the following stitch and making another double crochet. Like this, one by one, by inserting our hook in each following stitch, we are making double crochets, dear friends, and we are finishing this row by making double crochets one by one till the end of the row. Let's finish the second row as I explained to you, dear friends. I finished the second row, dear friends. I came to the end. Now I will change the color. For this reason, I am making one chain and cutting the yarn. I am finished with this color for now. I finished this row like this. The second row is finished. I'm going to make the third row. For this reason, I'm changing the color. I am taking the pink color in my hand. When I change the colors, I'm always starting from the front places, dear friends. I am not turning the back side. This is the front side again. First of all, I am fixing my yarn, making 1, 2, 3 chains. I am going to the following space, I mean the stitch space, and making a double crochet in there. Going to the following stitch, making another double crochet in there. One, two, three double crochet we made, and now we are making yarn over. We are inserting our hook not here, below this, I mean the at top of the first double crochet, making a double crochet. I am going to the following stitch here, making a double crochet. Going to the following, making another double crochet. Going to the following stitch, making another double crochet. It's been 1, 2, 3 double crochet, yarn over. In the 4 double crochet, I am not inserting my hook in the following stitch. I am inserting my hook at top of the first double crochet. This is the first row. This is the first row, dear friends. I'm not inserting my hook here at the space of the previous row, like this. You see, we didn't insert our hook here. At top of the previous row we inserted. We are going to make 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and for the 4 double crochet I am making yarn over. I am not inserting my hook in here. We are not inserting our hook in the following stitch. We are inserting our hook at top of the previous row here, not here, below this. Like this, we are making a long loop. Normally we have to insert here on top of the stitch, but we are not doing this. We are inserting our hook below this. For this reason, we are skipping this one, going to the other. We are making 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Double crochet, yarn over, inserting our hook, not here, below this. and the pattern looks like this, dear friends. Like this, we are coming to the end, dear friends. 3 double crochet we are making normal, and the 4th double crochet we are inserting our hook at top of the previous row. If you do this, the long loops will appear like this. Okay, let's finish this row as I explained to you, dear friends. Yes, dear friends, I finished this row. I came to the end of this row. I made all the stitches as I explained to you. Now I am at the end. I'm going to change the color. For this reason, I'm making 1 chain and then I am cutting the yarn. As I told you before, I'm not turning back. I'm always starting from the front side. I will go on with new color. I will use this color. First of all, I am inserting my hook at top of the 3rd chain. Like this. 3 chains I'm making. 1, 2, 3. I am keeping this on the row. I am making a chain in the 1st stitch, making a double crochet, going to the following stitch, making another double crochet. In this row we are making only double crochet, dear friends. Like this, making double crochets one by one in each stitch, we are coming to the end of the row. Let me show you where we are. We are here in the green color, dear friends. We made these rows, these 2 rows, and then we made this brown one. We are going to make this green row. This is made only with double crochets. Okay, with making double crochets only, we are coming to the end, dear friends. I finished this row, dear friends. It's been like this. I am at the end. I am making 1 chain and cutting the yarn because I'm going to change the color again. Always we are starting from the front corner. We are not turning back. We are not starting from the back. Always we are starting from the front, dear friends. This time I'm going to go on with this color, beige color. We are going to make this one. Long loops again we are going to make. First of all, I am fixing the yarn. I am inserting my hook at top of the first 3 chains. I'm keeping this yarn end on the hook. I'm doing this in order to fix the yarn end well. I am making chain 1, chain 2, chain 3. I am considering these 3 chains as the first double crochet. I am going to the following stitch and making another double crochet in there, like this. Yarn over, I am going to the following stitch, making a double crochet in there. I'm going to the following stitch. I am going down and inserting my hook at top of the previous row, and like this, making a long loop. Once again I will show you. I'm not using this stitch because instead of the stitch we used below stitch. I am going near stitch, making a double crochet, like this, making 2 more double crochets, going to the following stitch, making a double crochet, going to the following stitch, making another double crochet, like this. Yarn over. I'm not inserting my hook here this time. I am going down, inserting my hook on the previous row, like this, making a double crochet. I'm not inserting a double crochet here because instead of this double crochet I used the stitch in the previous row and I made a long loop. For this reason I am going to the following stitch, making a double crochet, 1 double crochet again, another double crochet, yarn over. I'm not making any double crochet in the following stitch, like this, going down, and in the stitch of the previous row I am making a double crochet, like this. I am going to the following stitch, making a double crochet, going to the following stitch, making another double crochet, going to the following stitch and another double crochet. Last time I'm showing you, I'm not inserting my hook in the previous stitch space, going down like this, and in the stitch of the previous row I am inserting my hook, yarn over, pull through, making a long loop, and later on I am making a double crochet, and then I am going to the following stitch, making a double crochet like this. Totally 3 double crochet I'm going to make, and the pattern will go on like this. It's been like this, dear friends. We are finishing this row as I explained to you. Like this, we are coming to the end. I finished this row, dear friends. It's been like this. I am at the end. I am making 1 chain and cutting the yarn. Let me show you where we are. We finished these 2 rows, and then this one, and this one. There is only 2 rows with burgundy color. We are going to make them. They are just double crochets, so they are very easy. For this reason, I'm taking the burgundy color in my hand again, this one. I am fixing the yarn at top of the first 3 chains like this. Yarn over like this. I am doing this in order to fix well. This is chain 1, chain 2, chain 3. I am inserting my hook in the following stitch, making a double crochet. Only double crochets we are doing one by one, dear friends, like this. Double crochet. I am keeping the yarn end on the row in order to hide it when crocheting. Going to the following stitch, making a double crochet. There is no long loop at this row, only double crochet. We are going to make 2 rows double crochet with the same color. Yes, dear friends, like this. We are making double crochets one by one till the end of the row. Let's finish this row with these double crochets, dear friends. We are not doing any long loop. We are just doing double crochet till the end of the row. I came to the end of the row, dear friends. The second row will go on with burgundy color. Since I will go on with the same color, I'm not cutting the yarn. Just making 1, 2, 3 chains, turning back. This time I will go on from the back side. You know, in the previous row when I changed the colors, I always start from the front side, but I'm going on with the same color. For this reason, no need to cut the yarn and no need to go from the front side. From the back side I will go on making double crochets one by one, dear friends. Just going on one by one, inserting our hook in each following stitch, and we are making double crochets till the end of the row, like this. We are making double crochets till the end of this row, dear friends. Now I am going to make the crochet border. For this reason, I'm starting from the front side. I'm taking my hook in my hand. I am inserting my hook at top of the 3 chains like this, and I am fixing the yarn. I am taking the yarn over the hook, making 1 chain. I am doing this in order to fix well. Now I am going to make single crochets. I am going to the following stitch, making a single crochet like this. I am going to the following stitch, making a single crochet like this. I am going to the following stitch, making a single crochet and 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. As you see, there are 2 loops in front of the chains, I mean this loop and also the other. I am taking them over the hook and making a slip stitch. I am going to the following stitch, making a single crochet, going to the following stitch, making another single crochet, going to the following stitch, making another single crochet, and the 4th single crochet. We are making 4 single crochets. After that, we are making 1, 2, 3 chains and these 2 loops, dear friends. I am inserting my hook through these 2 loops, taking them on the hook, yarn over, pull through, making a slip stitch and making 4 single stitches, going to the following chain, making a single stitch, going to the following space, making the 2nd, going to the following stitch space, making the 3rd single crochet and the 4th single crochet, making 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and the loops in the front, I mean the loops like this, and pull through, making slip stitch. Later on, going to the following stitch and one by one we are making single stitches. 4 times we are doing this, and then we are making this crochet pattern. Like this we are finishing this row, dear friends. We are going to make the same pattern at the other side also. We are always starting from the front side, dear friends. First of all, let's finish this row. I finished this row, dear friends, like this, all around. I came to the end. I am making 1 chain and cutting the yarn. I am going to make the same thing at the other side. This is the front side, dear friends. I am doing the same. I am taking my burgundy color in my hand. I am fixing this yarn at top of the first double crochet like this, making yarn over in order to fix well, making 1 chain, and I am going to make single crochets one by one, dear friends. This is single crochet 1, this is 2, this is 3, and making the 4 single stitch. After that I am making 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, inserting my hook through the front loops, there are 2 loops on the hook as you see, making pull through, making a slip stitch, and one by one making 4 chain and 4 single stitches. This is 1 single stitch, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, making 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, inserting our hook through the front loops, this loop and also the other, like this, and it's going on like this, dear friends, till the end of this row as well. I came to the end of this row as well. It is finished. Now I am going to hide the yarn ends. I am taking a small size hook in my hand. This is the burgundy yarn end, so I will hide them between the burgundy stitches. Like this, through the stitches in the same color, I am hiding it by the help of a small hook size. I am cutting the last yarn end. Once again, I will show you, for example, this pink color. I am taking this yarn end to the back side. Through the stitches I am hiding. And cutting the last yarn end. All the yarn ends we are hiding in this way, dear friends. I cleaned all the yarn ends like this. I am making one chain. I am going to make single stitches all around this. Like this, I made single stitches in here, making one chain and cutting the yarn. I am hiding the last end as I explained to you. Now I am going to the other side. I am going to make another single stitch in here. I am taking the yarn in my hand again. I am fixing the yarn. Making a single stitch. Making single stitches till the end and then cutting the yarn. I finished both sides with single stitches, dear friends. I am taking a yarn needle in my hand. I am going to shrink the sides and then I am going to sew up the elastic scrunchie. Like this, I am squeezing. Once again, I am going to the other side, squeezing well. I'm shrinking once again like this. I am fixing the yarn like this, cutting. It's been like this. I am doing the same at the other side as well. I am shrinking at the back side, taking the yarn needle again, making a knot. I'm shrinking to the other side as well, making a knot in order to fix the yarn. And cutting the yarn. Now we are going to sew up the elastic buckle. I am going to use this one. Firstly, I chose this one, but later on I tried it on my head. It's been longer for me. For this reason, I am going to sew up with the shorter one. Sewing up with the help of the needle. Like this, I am sewing up at the other side in the same way, and I am finishing, dear friends. I am going to hide the yarn ends as I explained to you before. Okay, let's finish sewing up with the elastic buckle, dear friends. I sew up both sides, dear friends. It's been like this at the back side, and this is the front side. It's really been beautiful. This is the other headband. Yes, They are both like this. Okay, dear friends, we came to the end of another project video. Hope you enjoyed this project. I will go on sharing this kind of beautiful crochet projects in the coming days also. Please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell. Please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos in order to support me for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much. See you in the coming videos.